Hello, so today we'll be using the lattice method of multiplication to solve our problem 563 times 25. The first step we're going to do is build our lattice. So we'll start by drawing a rectangle, making sure there's enough room since we do have a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. We'll put our 2-digit number on the side and our 3-digit number on top. We will draw 6 boxes and we will put our 25 on the side, on our left side, and we will put our 563 on the top. Now we will draw a diagonal line through each of the boxes so we have a place to separate our ones digits from our tens digits. Our ones digits will go in every bottom triangle and our tens digits will go in every top triangle. So we will start on the bottom with 5 times 3, which is 15. We'll put the 1 in the tens place and the 5 in the ones place. Then we'll go to 5 times 6, which is 30. We'll put the 3 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place to hold our spot. Then 5 times 5 is 25, so we'll put the 2 in the tens place and the 5 in the ones place. Then we will go and multiply 2 times 3, which is 6. We'll put the 6 in its ones place and a 0 to mark our spot. Then we will multiply 2 times 6, which is 12. Our 1 in the tens place and our 2 in the ones place. Then we'll go and multiply 2 times 5, which is 10. Leaving our 1 in the tens place and our 0 in the ones place to mark our spot. Then we will slide on down, putting our 5 to stay in the ones place. Then we will add 6 plus 1 and slide down, so we will have 7 in our tens place. Then we will add 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus another 5 is 10. So we'll put a 0 in our hundreds place and carry the 1 up to our top triangle. 1 plus 1 is 2, so we will add our 2 plus 2 and bring it down for our thousands place. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then we only have 1 digit in our 10,000s place. We will just slide on down here, and so our product of 536 times 25 is going to be 14,075. Thank you for coming to my video today.